So here's interesting app called Soltera Latino dating app. Meet Latino singles near you. So you probably heard around about Tinder, Bumble, but sometimes these apps are just too broad. So for example, you just know you want to date Latinos and you don't want to meet all the people around the world on global apps like Tinder. So just try out this app. Seems like it's a quite good choice if you're into Latinos. Soltera is dedicated to single men and women to identify as Latino, Hispanic, Chicano, or Spanish. It is built around the mission of making connections and creating a community where users can take pride in their culture and country of origin. We want you to celebrate the things that make you the person you are. We also want you to easily find others that share the same interests as you and appreciate you. Well, download the app now and start meeting other Latino singles. Free to match and free to chat. Direct messages connect faster. Search and use filters connect with people nearby and worldwide. And then there is like a subscription, 1 month for $19.99, 3 months for $40, 6 months for $60. So then yeah, you can just find that. You can easily create your account, super easy just to get started. Remember to enter your exact age because you can't change it later. So you just enter your age and then yeah, this is basically then you just swipe left or right. For some reason to actually swipe you need to verify your account. You just need to take like a selfie with specific gesture, and that's basically how you verify your account. And then you can just message, but again no, I think you still need to verify your account to send like a specific also like compliments and stuff like that. You need to verify your account. However, I'm not quite sure if this app is legit and if there are many bots or AI bots in this app. Sometimes, this is a new trend in dating apps. Like it's super easy to generate some AI image, and even like lead conversations using AI chatbots. And then, but anyhow, give it a try. I don't actually know about this app. It's already in the top charts, not that high, but in top 200 social apps. It gets some good ratings, but not that many yet, so anything can happen. But yeah, there you have it, and then you can just see who liked you. Then you can just search users, then you see your messages, matched messages or direct messages, and then you just have your account here. So that's what it is. And then you can change your location. You can see your 5 crash tokens. You can buy more if you want. You can also buy one-time tokens. Time tokens are used to add more time to your matches after they expire. 72 hours shall be added to the match. VIP tokens, so all the kind of different things you can try and buy here in this app. Then there are settings. Here you can just see if you want to delete your account, you can just do it here from the bottom in the settings. You can always edit your profile, add more photos, add about me, personality prompts. So yeah, that's basically the idea. So hope that is helpful. And then yeah, just keep exploring. There are card filters. You can set your distance, set gender you're interested in, age range, and that's basically the idea of the app. Give it a try.